So why are we building a building? God doesn't need buildings. He dwells in you and me. He dwells in us. But God uses buildings as a tool for the task. The tool is to engage the lost, to establish the saved, to equip believers, and to empower leaders for the work of ministry. And so God gave us this piece of land in the middle of Clarksville in 2012. We bought it cash, 43,000 square meters, and God has provided. We've already spent more than 3 million rand on this project, and God is giving you and me an opportunity to be part of a miracle. This is a miracle story that God is bringing about. This building is going to be used to equip believers, and we find the name of this building in Acts chapter 19, where we see they use the Hall of Tyrannus, and they train people, and within 2 years the whole region heard the gospel of Christ. And so we are building a building. We've already laid the foundations. We've already done the steel work. We are building this building so that God can use this building as a tool in His hands for His glory and the establishing of His kingdom. This building is going to be a massive blessing, not only in our community, but also for the nations of the world. And God wants you and me to be part of it. I want to invite you, come and be part of it, even if it's just a couple of $100, or even if it's multiple thousands, or even some millions. You know what God has got put in your heart. God wants to give every single person an opportunity to be part of this. This is an everybody moment, and I wouldn't want anyone to miss out. When that building's up and when we move in and when we celebrate what God has done, we would like each and every person to say, I had a part in this. I could play a part in this. And then generations to come will be able to hear the gospel through your sacrifice. You can sacrifice today, and people in generations to come can benefit from your sacrifice. Join us, be part of this miracle, and let's see God do what only He can do.